Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Redmi 12 device. Now I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port using just household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector. I suggest you use an oldest brush which you no longer use to clean your teeth. And firstly, you need to take the cover off. Then take the brush in your hand, insert one part of the brush to the connector. And try to pry the dirt out. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.